To add Screencastify to your Chrome account, start by visiting Screencastify.com. If it's your first time using the app, you'll be prompted to add the app by clicking Add to Chrome. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome again. When prompted by the pop-up box, click on Add Extension. You'll see the Screencastify extensions icon pop up in your extension bar. The first time that you click on the extensions icon, Screencastify will load the setup screen. Register by signing in with your Google account. Allow Screencastify to access your Google account. To link your microphone and camera, click Next on the main screen. Click Allow to give Screencastify access to your microphone and webcam. Select which account you'd like. Are you a student, teacher, or otherwise? Select your age and hooray, you've completed your Screencastify setup.